Alright, here's something a little different. I'm going to do a beer comparison. On the right is Deschutes Fresh Squeezed IPA, commercial beer. And on the left is a Northern Brewer clone. They call it Fresh Squished IPA instead of Fresh Squeezed. So I think it's a clone of this one. Seems to be anyway. They can't use the exact same name for copyright purposes and stuff. But you know, for color they look pretty close. This is maybe slightly darker. Clarity, I think they're about the same, both a little cloudy. Let me check aroma here. Definitely get kind of the fruitiness of the fresh squeezed. Maybe not quite as much on this one, aroma wise, but very close. Okay, give them a try. Very good. I like this beer. It's a little on the maybe sweet side, but got a lot of good hoppy, fruity type flavors. Let me try the one I made here. Boy. Yeah, that is so close I don't think I can tell the difference. Maybe just slightly less bitter on the one I made, but yeah, they're very, very close. So if you're thinking about ordering up a Northern Brewer Fresh Squished IPA and you like the Deschutes Fresh Squeezed, and this is an all grain, by the way, I think you won't be disappointed. This is very, very good, and it's a relatively cheap kit. It's in the mid 30s instead of some of them, you know, run up in the 50s if they're real high gravity beer. But yeah, that's very good.